So here's a golden opportunity to work with IIM. Today I will tell you about the latest vacancy in IIM wherein the qualification required is graduation in any discipline. So let's start today's video. So now you have to visit the official website of IIM Nagpur, that is iimnagpur.ac.in. ठीक है, जैसे ही आप इस पेज पे आएंगे यहाँ पर आप अबाउट IIMN प्रोग्राम्स एडमिशंस ये सब देख सकते हैं, पर आपको नीचे स्क्रॉल करना है. ठीक है, जैसे आप नीचे स्क्रॉल करेंगे करियर्स पे आपको जाकर क्लिक करना है और वहाँ आप देखेंगे कि न्यू जूनियर एग्जीक्यूटिव प्रोग्राम पीजीपी ऑफिस के लिए जो रिक्वायरमेंट है उसके बारे में डिटेल्स हम देखेंगे. So once you will click on this, you will come to know each and everything क्योंकि बहुत अच्छे से मेंशन किया हुआ है कि क्या जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन है, क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, क्या क्वालिफिकेशन होना चाहिए टू अप्लाई. तो जूनियर एग्जीक्यूटिव की पोस्ट है फॉर प्रोग्राम पीजीपी ऑफिस के लिए. जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन says that the selected candidates will assist the program office in charge in all the activities related to office. ठीक है, उसके अलावा इट विल बी इंक्लूडेड क्या क्या चीजें रहेंगी. वो रहेगा प्रोग्राम एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, कोऑर्डिनेशन विद फैकल्टी मेंबर्स, conduction of classes, and coordination between attendance management, conduction of exams, grading, ऐसे काफी सारे चीजें यहाँ पर हैं. क्वालिफिकेशन, एक्सपीरियंस और स्किल की बात करें तो ग्रेजुएशन इन एनी डिसिप्लिन इज अ मस्ट. पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट प्रेफर्ड विथ मिनिमम ऑफ 55% मार्क्स. रेलेवेंट आपको 3 साल का एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए और एक्सपीरियंस इन एन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ नेशनल रिप्यूटे लाइक IIMs और IITs will be a distinct advantage. तो experience in academic scheduling, attendance management, conducting exams and allied activities, अगर ये सारी चीजें आपने की हुई हैं, then you could be a good fit for this position. इसके अलावा जो skills required हैं, that is excellent communication skill and interpersonal skills and multitasking abilities. आपको knowledge होना चाहिए of Excel, Word and comfort with computer based working is very essential. After that, one thing which is very important is that you need to be proficient in English language, written and verbal communication as well as comprehension. So time management and planning for the flawless execution of program, efficient and responsive communication, facilities booking, classroom study material availability. So there are so many things which is involved and these are the skills which is required. Age is minimum 25 to maximum 32 years and you will be reporting to the in charge program office. If you talk about salary and allowances part, so it will be offered a fixed term appointment for a period of up to 1 year on a consolidated monthly salary on CTC mode. Okay. Now, you are advised to apply online only, and this is the website wherein you have to go and apply. Last date is 23rd October 2020, 5 p.m. So you need to click on the apply here tab over here. I will give you the link in the description box so that you can access it easily. Now, as and when you click on that, you will get to see a page like this. This is the application form you need to fill in. Okay, so each and every details you have to fill it up very minutely, as this is for the experienced candidate. I am sure that you all must be knowing how to fill these kind of application forms. So this is all which is required. You have to mention each and everything correctly and do proofread and cross check whatever you have filled, and after that the final step is that you have to submit it. So you have to click on submit and you are done. So all the very best to all of you who are applying for this position, and thank you so much.